Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, stop whatever you are doing, seriously. I just found the blueprint for my dream home, and it's this kitchen. It's Modern Tudor meets organic vibes, and honestly, the blue and white contrast is everything. It's sophisticated, but totally cozy. The color palette isn't just blue, it's this deep, moody navy on the central island, which, by the way, must be at least 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, topped with this flawless, gorgeous marble. Wow. And the light. Look at those windows. They are massive, easily 10 feet tall, with those cool black grid frames that scream high-end modern Tudor. They just flood the entire 15-foot wide space with sunshine. It makes cooking feel like a photo shoot, right? We've all seen those cramped, boring kitchens, right? The ones where everything feels cluttered and beige. This completely wipes that drama out. The high 9-foot ceilings and the clean white cabinetry make the space feel enormous. And my favorite part? That cute little dining nook. It's built right into the bay window, covered in that amazing navy velvet. It turns a boring corner into the perfect spot for coffee. Seriously, it's a game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.